Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the part 5 of the same topic, that is the matrices from the past year. So now this is given the matrices if A, this is the question. So we have to find A square minus 5A plus 69. So A matrix is given over here. So first thing let us see for A square. So A square will be A into A. So this we have to write 2 times. So now let us multiply this into this. 4, 0, 1. We have to add. Again here 4, 2, 3. We have to add. 2 minus 2 and 0. We have to add. Now this is done. Now let us go for the second one. Again here 0, 0, minus 1. 0, 1, minus 3. Then 0, minus 1, and this will be 0. So this also is done. Now let us see for the third one. 2, 0, 0. Then 2, 3, 0. Then 1, minus 3 and 0. So what do you get here? When you add this one, you get 5, 9. This and this gets cancelled. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 5 and minus 2. So this you got for A square. So now let us see here if we have this one, A square minus 5A plus 69. So this is for A square. A is already given, the matrix A is given over here. The same here. And this is 3 into 3 matrix. So the I means identity matrix. So this will also will write for 3:3 identity matrix. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix, and this 16 is here. So now let's just keep this as it is. This 5 will multiply 10, 0, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, minus 5, and this will be 0. Again, this 16 will take away your 16. So here also there will be 16, and this also 16. The rest all will be zeros. So now look at here. Now you will take this one. This is minus. So you will take here 5 minus 10, and this is plus 16. So here we'll go here 9 minus 10 plus 0. Then from here 0 minus 5 and here 0. So this is completed. Now for this one, minus 1, 0, and this is again 0. So here minus 2, minus 5, 16. So this one. Then here minus 1, this minus minus becomes plus, and here 0. So this one. So this also is done. Now we will go for the third one. That will be 2 minus 5 and 0. 2 minus 5 because this is minus. Then 5 minus 15 and 0. So this one. And here see here minus 2. And this will be 0 and 16. So minus 2, minus 0 and 16. So when you add this all, you will get 11. This one. So this is the answer. So now look at here. To raise money for an orphanage, students of 3 schools, A, B, and C, organized an exhibition in the locality where they sold paper bags, scrapbooks, and pastel sheets made by them using recycled paper at the rate of rupees 20, 15, and 5 per unit, respectively. So here, school A sold 25 paper bags 12 scrapbooks and 34 pastel sheets. School B sold 22 paper bags, 15 scrap bags and 28 pastel sheets, while School C sold 26 paper bags, 18 scrap bags and 36 pastel sheets. Using matrix, find the total amount raised by each school by each exhibition. Values are generated here. This is the table given over here. So just look at this table. This is the table given. So here everything whatever is given in the question here. So now what we can see over here, the paper bags are 25, 12 and 34. And here this paper bags are 12, scrapbooks are 12 and pastel sheets 34. Here 22, 15 and 28. Here for C1, 26, 18 and 36. So now what we can see, the number of articles sold by each school can be written in the matrix form. So here we can write this one, we can put this as X, and this we are writing the same thing, whatever is here, we are going to write this in all this in a matrix form. So rate of each article can be written in the matrix form as follows. The rate is given as 20, 15 and 5. Can you see here 20, 15 and 5? The rate is given. So here this we can consider this as Y. The amount collected by each school is given by, this will be, we can put it as YX. So this Y will put over here and this X whole thing we are going to put it over here. So now what are we going to do? We are going to multiply this into this, that is going to be 500. Then this into this, that is going to be 180. And then this into this, that is going to be 170. Again, what are we going to do? This is done. Again, we'll go for this one. 440, 225 and here 140. Then we'll go for this also is done. Now we'll see for this one, that is 520, 270 and this is 180. So when we add all these things, what we can see, this will be 850, 805 and 970. So we can say the amount collected by schools ABC are, this is 850, 805 and 907 respectively. So we have to see the total amount collected. So total amount means you are going to add all these three. So that is 2625. And then what did they ask in the last sentence? They have asked, find the total amount raised by such exhibition values are generated in the students. Now see here what is the exhibition values are generated. So what we can see here, so the situation highlights the helpful nature, we can say, of the students. So now this is the next one. 3 schools A, B and C organized a mela for collecting funds for helping the rehabilitation of flood victims. They sold handmade fans, mats and plates from recycled material at a cost of rupees 2,550 each. The number of articles sold are given below. For the school A, B, and C, the hands fans are this 40, 25, 30, mats 50, 40, and 50, and plates are 20, 30, and 40. These are the given. And what we have to see, find the funds collected by each school, separated by selling the above articles. Also find the total funds collected for the purpose. Write one value generated. This is we have to write it at the end. So number of articles sold, we can just take it as X. You can see from this table. So same thing we wrote in the matrix form over here. Cost of one article is given. So what is the cost given? 2,550. So here we can write that 2,450, that is Y is equal to this one. So what we can do here, funds collected by each school separated is given as, this will be YX. So this thing we are going to write it over here, and this all X we are going to write it over here. So again, what are we going to, YX will be this into this, that will be 1,000, 5,000, you are going to add it, and this 1,000. So this is done. Now you will go for this one, 625, 4,000 and 1,500. So again this is done. Then we'll go for the last one. This is 875, 5,000 and 40 that you have to multiply. So here we are going to add all this one. So this will be 7,000. When you add this one, 6125, and when you add this, it is going to be 7875. So what we can write here, therefore funds collected by school A is 7,000. Funds collected by school B is 6125, that is here. Funds collected by school C is 7875 rupees. So total funds collected will be, you're going to add all this one. So that is 21,000. And then what are you going to write here? They said write one value generated by the above situation. So what is the value here? We can say this shows helping nature of students. Now the next one, we can see this is a transpose one. If A is equal to 5xy, this is the matrix given, and A is equal to, when we write like this, means that shows that is the transpose of the matrix. So where A, this one, A of t, that is the transpose of the matrix, then these options are given. So let us solve this one. First, let us keep this A, we can write it as it is, and what will be the transpose of this one, of this matrix? So now see here, A is equal to AT, A this raised to T, that is the transpose. So this is A, and we have to write the transpose of it. So transpose means this 5 will be here, but this Y will go on this side, and this will come here. These both are going to be same, but this X will go here and Y will go there. Can you see here? This is called the transpose. So when we are comparing both sides, what we can do, 5 is 5. So X should be Y. So X is Y. So again, this X is Y, 0 and 0. So we can say X is equal to Y. So by this way, we have completed our topic for this today. Please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts and many more. Thank you.